What are you doing today, Chris? Well, taking this old coin I found off eBay, 1835 half dollar. Someone had punched a hole through it, looks like with a square nail. So decided to give it a new life and turned it into one of the coin rings I make in the style of World War I or World War II trench art coin rings. Back then they would just be bored waiting in the trenches or on a ship and hit it with a spoon on the edge, but I found a newer way after been making these many years. Use this old roller bearing out of a paper machine bearing housing when I worked at the paper mill. Weighs about 20 pounds, makes a good anvil, and in this hammer or that hammer over there, and I beat it on its edge and go around and around. Eventually, when I get it to the right size, I have a ring mandrel that I can eyeball the size. I'll stop and drill out the center, polish it with my Dremel on the inside and the outside, make it really shiny. I can make them hammered or rounded, or you won't even be able to tell it's a coin. It's a whole lot different than the way they make the coins rings today, where they punch the center out first and then rotate it and bend it out where you can see the coin on both sides. When you make them like this, only the coin words will be on the inside, so like that. Anyway, I'll show you what the hammering process looks like. And you just tap it. You don't have to do it too hard. If you do it too hard, you'll warp the coin, because it is a soft metal. This is 90% silver. Any coin in the US and other countries made before 1964, if it's a half-dollar size or a quarter, you can make those in a ring, and that's typically what they have done. So anyway, hope you like this video.